guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I'm in my makeshift kitchen, makeshifting lunch. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna get a new kitchen as soon as Pete gets here and helps me choose it, but I'm just enjoying life here in Santa Dominica so much. Now, one of the things I wanted to bring up, as many of you know, I'm doing a fundraiser on GoFundMe in order to raise funds to renovate the old olive mill here in Santa Dominica, Talao. It's not a big project, it's kind of a small little thing, but what it is it's got the mill wheel inside. There was a place where the donkeys used to walk around in a circle and crush the olives, and then a torquing machine and all kinds of things. And Tonella wants to redo it exactly as it was. And then up above there was the apartment where the proprietor lived, and he wants to do that too for educational purposes, for tours, for historical interest. This is a very historical town, and he is the town's historian. He's also a very dear friend, so I wanted to help him out. So I'm doing this GoFundMe, but also I came up with a brilliant scheme. Many of you don't know, but I made a course. It's an online course that you can buy. It's called Foodie's Guide to Decoding Italian Olive Oil. And it was kind of a pilot course before I did my property course, because I wanted to make sure everything worked, you know. And I wanted to learn about olive oil, especially Italian olive oil, because I just love it. And I learned so much. And when I did it, I put together like a value stack of all kinds of goodies and extras you'd get. So the course itself is like $29.99. I made it purposely cheap because I wanted to see how the website worked. It works great, and you can access the course and everything else. Now in the course, let me see what all you get. You get the online course, which is videos, very educational, beautiful pictures, really cool. You get the ebook that goes with it, so you can underline and highlight and restudy and that kind of thing. And then I did videos of the 5 best Mediterranean recipes. So I show you how to make these awesome recipes with the different types of olive oil that I found to be really, really good. And then you also get the ebook with the recipes in it, so you have that. And while I was researching this particular course, I was like, I need a definitive, source. So I started looking online, and I found this book written by a guy named Dr. Bazzari. Dr. Bazzari was a Spanish chemist and a total olive nerd back in the 1800s. And I read the book, and I highlighted stuff that was still important today, and I translated it and edited it for you. It is in the public domain, so I could sell it and give it away, as part of the course. It was just fascinating. This Dr. Bazzari, I just love this guy. He was hilarious, first of all, and secondly, he was a total olive nerd, being a chemist and really going into how do you make olive oil, how do you keep it fresh, what do you have to do, what it was like back in the 1800s creating olive oil. So it's really a great book. Now, another thing that Pete and I did, which was really fun, was we ordered the 5 top-rated Italian olive oils on Amazon. And we got them all delivered, and we did side-by-side comparisons and taste tests and things like that. So we did a video of that so that you can have that as well. Those 5 olive oils were really, really good. And the recipe book, each recipe features one of those olive oils that works best with that particular recipe. So what I thought was, why not sell my beautiful course and educate everybody on the beauties and the wonderfulness of Italian olive oil, while at the same time raising money. So what I'm gonna do, you buy the course for $29.99, and I'm gonna give half of that, or maybe even more than half, if whatever covers my costs. I'm gonna give that over to the project to rebuild this beautiful olive mill here in Santa Dominica, Talao. It would be a lovely addition to the village. So anyway, check below in the details section. There's going to be a link that will take you over to the olive oil course. You're going to love the course. I learned so much doing it. I so enjoyed making it for you guys, and you're going to walk out as total olive nerds. And you're going to contribute to this beautiful olive mill, which I will then show you on the channel as it gets renovated. So anyway, hope you love olive oil. It's the basis of all great Italian cooking. And get the course, and let's rebuild our mill. And I'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.